Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I did go ahead and use this again because I had gotten a comment that someone wanted to see more looks with it, so I went ahead and did something a little bit darker today. I do have a maternity shoot this evening that I need to go and do, so that'll be fun. It's gonna be hot. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be so hot, but I'm gonna try and get it done fast so that this poor pregnant lady is not just dying in the heat. Yesterday, we had something pretty scary happen, and I'm still really upset about it. And yeah, long story short, we had hired this guy to come and clean up our basement because it's just a big cement basement, and sometimes it floods whenever it rains a lot. While he was downstairs, he was getting really lightheaded and he almost passed out at one point, so I got scared and started opening all the windows thinking it was the cleaner that he was using, and it wasn't the cleaner that he was using. I ended up going downstairs at one point, and the smell of gasoline, or like not gasoline, but like the smell of gas was like a smack in the face, so I immediately called the gas company. They sent someone out, and just yesterday they found 4 gas leaks in our basement. So now we have to have someone else come to run air through the lines to make sure there's no other leaks. But I'm pretty upset about it, and yeah, it's gonna be an interesting situation living here for the next year now. But anyway, so we're okay though. Luckily, the gentleman that was working, he's fine as well. I am just unbelievably thankful that, you know, he was here, I guess. But yeah, I'm just thankful that he came here to, you know, work on our basement and ended up finding something that could have literally killed us that night had we gone to sleep, not knowing what was happening. So it's great. So other than a pretty traumatic event that happened yesterday, everything's fine, and I'm gonna go ahead and just jump in this video. If you'd like to see how I created this look, then just keep watching. So that was it. I'm gonna go ahead and just get out of here. I need to get everything cleaned up now so that I can get my bag packed to go take these photos tonight. So yeah, if you enjoyed the video, be sure to give it a like and subscribe if you haven't so that you can see future videos I'll be posting multiple times a week here on my channel. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.